Modern vehicles rely on sophisticated cooling systems to maintain optimal engine temperatures, and one of the most important components in that system is the water pump. While it often goes unnoticed, the water pump plays a crucial role in circulating coolant throughout the engine and radiator, helping prevent overheating and ensuring efficient performance. Whether you're commuting daily, towing heavy loads, or taking long road trips, a dependable water pump is essential for keeping your engine running smoothly. Today's water pumps are designed with improved materials, precision-engineered impellers, and durable bearings to provide reliable coolant flow under demanding conditions. A high-quality water pump can help extend engine life, improve cooling efficiency, and reduce the risk of costly repairs caused by overheating. Choosing the right replacement pump is one of the smartest investments you can make for your vehicle's long-term reliability. In this guide, we're counting down the top 5 best car water pumps for 2026 to help you find the perfect balance of durability, performance, cooling efficiency, and value. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the Tykic Coolant Electric Water Pump. This innovative cooling solution is designed for drivers looking for an efficient alternative to traditional belt-driven water pumps. Unlike conventional mechanical pumps, electric water pumps operate independently of engine speed, allowing for more consistent coolant circulation across a variety of driving conditions. One of the biggest advantages of the Tykic model is its compact and lightweight design. This makes it especially appealing for custom applications, performance vehicles, and drivers seeking improved cooling flexibility. Because the pump doesn't rely directly on engine RPM, it can continue delivering efficient coolant flow even during idle conditions where traditional pumps may be less effective. Another benefit is energy efficiency. Electric pumps can reduce mechanical drag on the engine, potentially improving overall system performance. The durable construction helps ensure reliable operation under demanding temperatures, making it a practical choice for drivers who want modern cooling technology at an affordable price. Coming in at number 4 is the A-Premium Engine Water Pump. A-Premium has earned a reputation for producing dependable replacement parts, and this water pump is designed to provide reliable cooling performance while maintaining OEM-style fitment and functionality. One of the key strengths of this model is its precision manufacturing. Proper fitment is essential when replacing cooling system components, and the A-Premium pump is engineered to match factory specifications for a straightforward installation process. The pump features durable bearings and high-quality seals that help minimize leaks and improve long-term reliability. Efficient coolant circulation is another major advantage, helping maintain stable engine temperatures during daily driving, highway travel, and stop-and-go traffic conditions. At number 3 is the Timanic Engine Water Pump. This model focuses heavily on durability and efficient coolant flow, making it an attractive option for vehicle owners seeking dependable long-term performance. One of the standout features of the Timanic pump is its robust construction. Water pumps operate continuously whenever the engine is running, so quality materials and engineering play a critical role in longevity. This pump is designed to withstand temperature fluctuations, coolant exposure, and the daily stresses of engine operation. The precision-designed impeller helps maximize coolant circulation throughout the cooling system. Effective coolant flow allows heat to be transferred away from critical engine components and dissipated through the radiator more efficiently. Another advantage is installation compatibility. The pump is engineered to provide proper fitment for supported applications, helping simplify maintenance and reduce installation concerns. Drivers who value reliability, cooling performance, and durability will find plenty to appreciate in the Timanic Engine Water Pump. Taking the number 2 spot is the Cuddly Engine Water Pump. This model offers an excellent combination of cooling performance, durability, and overall value, making it one of the strongest options available in its category. One of the biggest advantages of the Cuddly pump is its focus on long-term reliability. High-quality bearings and seals are used throughout the design to help reduce wear and minimize the risk of leaks over time. Since bearing failure and seal deterioration are among the most common causes of water pump problems, these upgrades can make a significant difference in longevity. The pump's efficient impeller design promotes strong coolant circulation throughout the engine and radiator. Consistent coolant flow helps prevent overheating and supports stable engine temperatures under a variety of driving conditions. Drivers who frequently tow trailers, drive in hot climates, or spend long hours on the road will appreciate the dependable cooling performance this pump delivers. And finally, taking the number one spot is the Eisen WPT 190 engine water pump. Eisen is one of the most respected names in automotive components, and this water pump demonstrates exactly why the company has earned such a strong reputation among both manufacturers and professional technicians. One of the biggest strengths of the Eisen WPT 190 is its exceptional build quality. The pump is engineered to OEM standards and features precision-machined components designed for smooth operation and long-lasting performance. Cooling efficiency is another area where this pump excels. The carefully engineered impeller design helps maximize coolant flow, ensuring effective heat transfer throughout the engine and radiator. This contributes to more consistent operating temperatures and improved overall engine protection. Durability is equally impressive. Premium bearings and seals help reduce wear, prevent leaks, and support years of dependable service. Another major advantage is its reputation for reliability. Many professional mechanics trust Eisen products because of their proven performance and OEM-level quality. For drivers seeking the highest level of cooling system dependability, the Eisen WPT 190 stands out as the best overall choice. Choosing the right water pump depends on several important factors. Cooling efficiency, durability, fitment accuracy, bearing quality, and seal reliability all play critical roles in long-term performance. A high-quality water pump helps maintain proper engine temperatures, supports cooling system efficiency, and protects against costly overheating-related repairs. Water pumps may not be the most visible components under the hood, but they are among the most important. Investing in a reliable replacement pump can provide years of dependable cooling performance and peace of mind behind the wheel. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best car water pumps for 2026. From the innovative Tykit coolant electric water pump, the dependable A-Premium engine water pump, the durable Tamanic engine water pump, the reliable Cuddly engine water pump, to the top-rated Eisen WPT 190 engine water pump, there's a perfect option here for every vehicle and budget. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest automotive reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.